Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learn Tulu Language Online. In the last video, we have learned negative and interrogative sentences in simple present tense. Today, let us learn more on interrogative sentences and also we will learn numbers in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. You already know that Tulu has different subjective pronouns to speak with elders or strangers with respect. Those are ir means you with respect. Ar means he or she remote with respect. Mer means he or she proximate with respect. But there is no separate verb conjugation for these pronouns. Verbs are conjugated same like plural pronouns. Nikulu gobbuvar, you play. This is in plural. Iru gobbuvar, you play. Here we are giving respect to a single person. Akkulu or Mokkulu gobbuver, they play. This is in plural. Aru or Meru gobbuver, he or she plays. Here we are giving respect to a single person. But in interrogative form of sentences, when you are speaking with the elders or strangers with respect, you can add a or ne instead of a or na at the end. Nikulu gobbuvara. Do you play? This is in plural. Iru gobbuvare. Iru gobbuvare. Do you play? Here we are giving to respect to the single person. So here we close the sentence with a vowel. That means we are giving respect to the person with whom we are speaking. It's not compulsory. You can also say Irugabbuara, but adding a sound at the end makes it more polite and many prefer it while speaking to elders. Aye Gubbujena, doesn't he play? Aye Gubbujene, doesn't he play? When you speak with elders or strangers with respect. Saukyana, Saukyana, are you fine? Saukyane, are you fine? With respect. Now look at the following sentences. He's a nice man, right? He's a nice man, isn't he? This kind of questions can be asked in Tulu using ata. Attu means no or it is not. Ata means isn't it? I edde naramani. I edde naramani ata. He's a nice man, right? He's a nice man, isn't he? Here also, to give respect to the listener, we have to change the ending vowel from A to A. I edde naramani ata. I edde naramani ate. He is a nice man, right? Here we are giving respect to the listener. The answer can be and or at, yes or no. I elle barpe. I elle barpe ata. He will come tomorrow, right? I elle barpe ate. He will come tomorrow, right? Giving respect to the listener. The answer can be and or ig, yes or no. Now look at the following sentence. Whether he will come or not. This kind of questions can be asked in Tulu using ijja. Ijji means no or it's not. Ijja means isn't it? I barpe. He will come. I barpena. Will he come? I barpene. Will he come? Giving respect to the listener. I barpena ijja. Whether he will come or not. I barpene ijje. Whether he will come or not. Giving respect to the listener. Okay, we are done with interrogative form of sentences in simple present tense. Now let us look at all type of sentences we have learned so far. Yan Tulu patirve. I speak Tulu. Yan Tulu kalpuve. I will learn Tulu. Enk Tulu barpundu. I know Tulu. Enk Tulu gottundo. I know Tulu. Yan Tulu patiruje. I don't speak Tulu. Yan Tulu Kalpujai. I will not learn Tulu. Ink Tulu Barpuji. I don't know Tulu. Ink Tulu Guttuji. I don't know Tulu. E Tulu Kalpana. Will you learn Tulu? Eer Tulu Kalpu Are. Will you learn Tulu? Nik Tulu Barpunda. Do you know Tulu? Ireg Tulu Barpunde. Do you know Tulu? Nik Tulu Guttuja. Don't you know Tulu? Ireg Tulu Guttuje. Don't you know Tulu? Nik Tulu Guttundata. You know Tulu, right? Ireg Tulu Guttundate. You know Tulu, right? Nik Tulu Barpujata. You don't know Tulu, right? Ireg Tulu Barpujate. You don't know Tulu, right? Nik Tulu Guttunda Ijja. Whether you know Tulu or not. Ireg Tulu Barpunde Ijje. Whether you know Tulu or not. Yanu Yella Kudlag Pope. Irla Innottu Barpare. I will go to Mangalore tomorrow. Will you two come along with me? Oh, Yalla Barpe. Okay, I will come too. Ijji, Enkapaji. No, I can't. Au means okay in Tulu. Apundu means it becomes or it will become. Apaji means it doesn't become or it will not become. Example, Yan doctor ape. I will become a doctor. Yan doctor apaje. I will not become a doctor. But when used with the dative or ablative case, it gives the meaning of not possible or can't. Inkapaji, I can't. It's not possible for me. Enard apaji, I can't. It's not possible by me. Ninard dala bela apaji, you can't do any work. Also, this verb is used to express feelings. Enk kushi apandu, I feel happy. Enk bejar apandu, I feel sad. Enk bena apaji, I don't feel pain. Enk bada apandu, I feel hungry. Enk bajala apandu, I feel thirsty. Aik tarabena apandu, he has headache. Now let us learn few more sentences in simple present and future tense. I Dinola Kande Daiklik Neer Padwe. He waters the plants every morning. Ar Ratra Ben Per Pagil Dijepwer. He works at night and sleeps during the day. Ninna Jokulu Salik Popera. Do your children go to school? Irana Jokulu Salik Popere. Do your children go to school? With respect. Yana Bega Jepvena. Do I sleep early? Yana Bega Jepvene. Do I sleep early? With respect. Akulu enan ini leppujer. They will not call me today. Aru enan madapujer. He or she will not forget me. Yan aleda panpe. I will tell her. I ninanu kirpe. He will kill you. Yan enna dosina illade pope. I will go to my friend's house. Ennamma enna balen tooper. My mom will look after my child. E jokulo bereper. These children will write. E and a are demonstrative adjectives. Undu means this. E bala, this child. E jokulo, these children. Au means that. A bala, that child. A jokulo, those children. Okay, now let us learn numbers in Tulu. 1G means 1. 1G, 1. Rad, 2. Muji, 3. Nalu, 4. Ainu, 5. Aji, 6. Elu, 7. Enma, 8. Orumba, 9. Pattu, 10. పత్తంజి 11, పద్రాడు 12, పదిమూజి 13, పదినాలు 14, పదినైను 15, పదినాజి 16, పదినేలు 17, పదినెన్మ 18, పదినొరుంబ 19, ఇరువ 20. If we learn numbers from 1 to 20 correctly, we will have no problem with the rest of numbers. So please try to learn first 20 numbers correctly. In the next lesson, we will learn remaining numbers. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.